Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Keyword Planner account. So you're going to head over Google Ads. And for those who are not familiar with Google Ads or a Google Keyword Planner, it is going to be an integration from Google Ads, which will help you to analyze and also get an idea on about the competitor keywords. So that means that you are going to get a complete analytic about the keywords that are going to be trendy or not. So you are going to see the volume that this keyword have had for the research on the web or the search engine. And with that, you are going to know what is a competitor keyword, also what is a or what can be more competitive than this keyword or that keyword. And also, it will give you a clear idea on how you can enter the competition with a better solution. So here you are going to head over Google. So how you can access the keyword planner, you're going to head over Google, type in Google Keyword Planner. Then you're going to see the first result. It is normally related to Google Ads. So you're going to click on here and you're going to get this specific link. Now, what are we going to do is to click on Go to Keyword Planner. You need to have at least a Google Ads account. After you've got the Google Ads account, you're going to have the keyword planner installed. So this is going to be a very simple step to do. So basically, you're going to have here a Google Ads account. From here, you are going to see everything. Now, as you can see, with that, we have got the access to our Google keyword planner, and we have the dashboard that we can rely on and start our search. So the process of it is going to be very simple. Head over Google Ads, get an account within Google Ads, and then you're going to get the keyword planner on your Google Ads. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.